Here's Photo app, image editor and maker, edit pictures, collages, filters. Quite cool app for Instagram, for TikTok. Level up your photography and editing skills with Photo app, ultimate photo editor. Enhance your pics, create stunning photo collages, apply elegant and fun filters and more. So editing tools, trim, crop, and cut your photos to perfection. Easily fine-tune brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Flip and rotate your image to get the perfect angle. Perfectly arrange your photos with customizable aspect ratios on a flexible canvas. Creative features, advanced image correction, customizable templates, unlimited sharing and exporting. And so that's the app. And then you can just open it up. So here you have it. Then that's what it is. Then you can just start it. So there is 7-day full access, or there is monthly access just for $3. So super cool price. So that's actually 50 cents for 7-day full access. But yeah, that's just 1 week offer, obviously, and then $10 per week. So interesting trial system. And then you can create your projects. So for example, editor, I can just take a photo from here. So for example, this is an example photo. And then you can adjust it. You can do some, well, these are some basic editing tools. Then there is your projects. Then there is this. So basically, I would say it's a very kind of like basic but quick app. If you don't wanna use apps where there are like literally 100 different filters and options, and you just want to do basic stuff fast, this is the app for you. And then just save your results. This is kind of quite good app to try out. So that's what it is.